What's up, everyone? Today's video is going to be my new little spin on the IPSY unbagging. So you guys know that in my past videos, I showed every single product offered for IPSY that month, but as that chapter is closing with IPSY, it's very bittersweet. I'm gonna miss them so much. I love IPSY and it's been an amazing 3 years, but it's time to close that chapter and move on and open up the next one. So we are doing a ton of unboxings here on my channel now. So if you have any subscription request or whatever that you want to see unboxed, leave them down below. I so far have been getting a lot of fashionista ones, which I had no idea about, so I am on the waiting list for that. But let me know if there's any other ones that you guys want to see, but you're going to see a few pop up here very soon on my channel. So the new type of video that I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be doing 2 bags, not 3. I have 3 bags here and I will explain why later, but I'm planning on doing 2 bags each month, and 1 bag is going to be strictly, well, my whole profile is skincare. I only did it as skincare, and then my other profile is all makeup and no skincare, no hair, no anything like that. So I really want to see how my customization's being done with my profiles. I really want to see what, like, what brands we're getting in the bags. Are they worth it? Are they consistently good? Because this is a completely different spin, because I only showed you guys what was offered in the bags, but now we're gonna see what I get. So I paid for these myself, and getting into why I have 3 bags is that one of them I changed the address on the account to a different address and I think they sent the same bag twice, so that's why I have 3. So we'll see with that, but I'm pretty sure it's the same exact bag twice. But if you guys love these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe for more unboxings if that's what you love. On Saturdays, every single Saturday, we do PR unboxings, basically showing you all the new beauty launches for the week. So make sure to subscribe for those. And then we have a bunch of other unboxings trickling through, and then some reviews and fun stuff. But before I get into this unbagging, I do need to give a big shout out to the girls that also do these types of videos. Number 1, which is I think the biggest channel that I see that does these, is Alexandra Ryan. I'm sure you guys know who she is, but she does these types of videos. I don't know who created them. She might have been the one that created them, but definitely check her out if you haven't checked her out already. She's really sweet. And then also Steph Beauty 05. I've seen her do the 2 glam bags, and then I think she's doing glam bag and glam bag plus now, and then throwing in ultimate. But I think you guys would really love her channel too, so definitely go check her out as well. She's the sweetest. She's like a friend of mine. We DM all the time. But shout out to those ones, and shout out to any of the other ones that do the IPSY versus IPSYs. I saw that there was a bunch of them doing it, but those were the 2 that really stand out to me. So shout out to those channels for doing these videos, and shout out to any other channels that do them too. If you guys want to search them, just do IPSY versus IPSY and a bunch of them will pop up. But I just wanted to give some recognition to them. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox these. I'm really excited. Okay, first one is they totally changed the bags. They used to be like a bright pink. IPSY went through like a whole rebranding. So they have like new logo, new everything. I really love the pastel pink and like the peachy vibes. The offices and the stuff are so cool now. Oh my God, you guys, they completely redid them. And then also let me know if you want to see these as a try on. I can definitely do that next month for you guys. I just have to plan better for it because I did all my makeup and I was like, wait, people might want to see this as a try on. So let me know if you guys want to see this as a try on. I will do it next month, but let me know in the comments down below. The bag, really cute this month. Oh my God. I mean, you can just see I'm totally in the whole like cheetah leopard print thing right now. I'm really into it. So this is everything. This is totally going right into my purse immediately. So that's actually a really good bag this month. First off, in my bag right here, which actually wasn't in my bag, it was sitting on the outside, but this is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. This is a really good hydrating moisturizer. It's a little bit on the thicker side, so I love to use this one more at nighttime. I have to say, one of my favorite eye creams though is actually from this line, the Confidence in an Eye Cream. Bomb. It is so good. I love the eye cream. So this is just as good. It's a great moisturizer. If you have oily skin and you get this, I would use this only at night and not in the morning. If you are super dry, you would love this. It's a great thicker moisturizer. And also, I really love the component of it. It's a great little travel piece, or even just great to also try out and see how your skin reacts to it, because our skin all reacts differently to different products. But moving on, let's go open up the bag. God, this bag just feels really empty. Okay, so next up we have this Lock Color Lock It Good foundation. BB foundation. Okay, so I got a foundation in medium buff. I made my shades for when I am self-tanned because you have to choose your shades, and I was like, what do I do? So I did them for when I'm self-tan, but this looks pretty dark. Oh no, this will work for me. I've never heard of this brand, Lock Color. We've never had these in the bags before, so this is definitely new. It looks like it's a good BB cream. It's got really good coverage to it too, so that is really exciting. And the shade is perfect for me when I'm self-tan. So definitely have to, I really wish I would have done a try on because I would totally try that on right now. But I will definitely do those for you guys in the future because this looks like it's a really nice BB cream. I totally am thinking that this is my skincare bag right now because I got a Verifee Power Trip Phytoglycogen plus AHA facial serum. So this is a facial serum here, and it says apply facial serum once daily to clean dry skin. Massage 1 to 2 pumps of product into your face in an upward motion, avoiding the eye area. Okay, so we have a little facial serum here. Let's try this out on the back of my hand. Oh no! That just shot out at me. Well, dang it. Anyways, it's a serum. You just pop it right out. I just wasted a ton of product. It's just a clear serum. How many times can I say serum? But it feels really good. Ooh. It has like no smell to it too, which is really nice. You guys know no smell is a good thing. And it feels really good. I actually like the way that this one feels more than the serum that I got in my BoxyCharm. Oh, we have the balm Mary Duminizer. So I have a, okay. This is like a mix. I'm so confused. Why would I get a makeup product in here if this is my skincare bag? I'm pretty sure it's my skincare bag. I'm gonna check at the end. But anyways, the Mary Duminizer, this is their liquid Mary Luminizer. This stuff is so pretty. I love it. Like, just look at it. This is gonna take you a while to use up, which is great. And I love how small it is, but just look at how beautiful it is. I love these liquid highlighters. The balm is so underrated. I wish that they were talked about more. I love the balm, and the highlighters are gorgeous. So that's definitely a plus. I know I love that product already. I've used it already before. And then I have the GG Gorgeous collection. This has got to be the lip balm. I'm guessing it's a lip balm. Let me open this up. Okay, so GG Gorgeous came out with a collaboration and she launched it in the makeup bags that she did with IPSY. So this is just the lip balm to it. This is actually really nice. I've been using this already because I had the collection sent to me. So the lip balm is just a clear lip balm. I've actually been enjoying this one because I actually have my own already from a PR package. And I have to say, I really have been enjoying her collection. I like the bronzer brush that she came out with. I like the highlighter brush. I like the bronzer and the blush. So those I've been really, that's a lot of the collection that I've been really enjoying. So this is really exciting. Congrats to Gigi on that. Last but not least, I forgot to pull out the card because I just did not pay attention to it. Anyways, it comes with all the information that you need for the products to kind of get a quick description of them, how to use them, all that fun stuff. So kind of looking at this bag, I got 2 makeup items in here. I guess you could say that the BB foundation is a skincare item because it's a BB cream, but I mean, you can't really say that about the highlighter. Like, I don't hate it because this I love already, and then this will actually kind of be really fun to try out, and the shade is perfect for me. So other than that, I mean, I think it was a decent bag for $12. Especially because I love the moisturizer and the serum feels really nice. I can't wait to try that out. So I think it's a decent bag, but I'm still kind of confused of why I got a makeup product in here when I said only skincare. Let's move on to the next one. Alrighty, so next up I got another IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. So we are stocked up on those. And then again, here is the next bag. Let's open this up. We got another GG. Is this the same bag? No, this is different. This is different. So we got another GG product. So it's the same living lip balm that we got in this one. Very cool. For a second, I was like, wait, do I have the exact same bags? But no, there's things that are in here that are different. So I'm wondering what bag this is. I'm definitely gonna have to look them up. Next up, we have Blackheads or No. So is this is like a mix. I'm so confused right now, you guys. I'm so confused. So we have the Grace and Stella Blackheads are no fun, but removing them can be. So we have a face mask in here. I'm gonna look at the little card that it says about this. It says that this is to apply a generous layer to the face and avoid brows, hairline, and eyes and lips. Allow to dry for 15 to 20 minutes and then it peels off. So this is actually a peel off mask and it's supposed to help remove any blackheads. That would actually be really fun to use. And then we have an SL Miss Glam brush. I love her brushes, you guys. Look at, immediately looking at this brush, this one would be perfect for setting underneath the eyes. It's nice and dense and flat, and it has a tapered edge to it. It would make it really easy to get underneath that eye area to set it, so that way you don't crease really those little fine lines that are not our friends. This would really help against that, so that's great. And then also I can see using this as a highlighter brush too, but most likely for me, I will definitely use this as an under eye setting one. This is beautiful, and plus I have not seen her do such a deep, bold color ever, and I am so excited for it. I'm here for it. I love Stephanie. So we got a makeup brush in there. So we've got a couple skincare products, 3 skincare products basically, and a makeup brush. And then I got another makeup product, which is why I'm very confused right now. I'm very confused, but we have the IPSY by Petra right here. This is the Naturally Nude Mesmerizing Mineral Duo. I really love the IPSY eyeshadows, you guys. They are very, very creamy and very pigmented. Just take a look at these. They're beautiful. I could totally see myself putting that all over the lid, and then I would put this into the crease. I would totally do that. Really should have made this a try on video. I am sorry, don't hate me. I promise the next one will be one. But that is a plus there, but it's still so weird that I've got a mix of skincare and makeup in there, so I'm very confused with my bags right now. But I don't know if it's like a mistake because I have 3 bags, so maybe it didn't update my preferences or whatnot. I don't know. Let's just open up the third one. Okay, third one right here. Boom, another leopard bag. I'm gonna give some of these away because I only really need one. But let's see here. We've got the card. Let's pull the card out. I'm not gonna look into it. We're just gonna pull that out. We have a brush, so maybe this is the makeup bag. Let's see. This is the Beau Guess She Eye Shader Brush. This one actually would be really, really nice to smoke out that bottom lash line right there. So check that out. So there we have another brush. Next up, oh, okay, so we have a skincare product. I am so confused right now, you guys. So I'm not hating on this because I love Murad, but which is which? I just don't know. So we have the Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Love Murad. This is a great one. My favorite line from them is the Hydrate line, but I am definitely down to try this one out. And here is the little size of it, which is great because you can really see if this is gonna work out for you or not. So if you wanna purchase up the full size, but yeah, definitely pumped for that just because I like Murad and I'm excited to try that out. Next up, we have another makeup product, and this is from Gigi Gorgeous. Woo! And this is the Only blush. So this blush is really pretty, you guys. In the full size, I believe it's a half pan one. So this one is a lot smaller than the full size, but you still get a reasonable amount of product, and even comes with a mirror on the inside. Oh shoot. Comes with a mirror on the inside. Don't drop it like I did, but look at how pretty that blush is. You guys know these are like kind of like the blushes that I always gravitate to, so I've been really enjoying this one. Like I said earlier in the video, it's beautiful and it goes on beautifully on the skin. So again, killed it with this collection, and this is definitely a very reasonable size. This is perfect for travel. This is definitely something I'm gonna save for my travel makeup bag, which I just need to start putting aside with like travel brushes so I don't forget them. Done that way too much. But this is perfect for travel. And again, the blush shade is so, so pretty. It blends out beautifully too. I love it. I've been wearing it, and also it doesn't wear off your cheeks really fast either. It's got great longevity. Next up, we have another product, and this is from Wander. This is the, I'm telling you, if you guys are ever opening this up, make sure you have tweezers with you. These things save you. This is the Wondrous Glow After Hours. So it looks like we got a highlighter in here. Oh, this is really pretty. Look at that. See how you swatch. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that is really pretty. I honestly cannot remember if I've ever tried out a highlighter. I know I've tried out their blush, and I like their blush, but it fades really fast throughout the day. This, I don't think I've ever tried, and it is so freaking pretty. Oh my goodness. I really like that. And plus, look how reasonable that size is right there. That's, again, another perfect one for travel. There we go. Or last but not least, we have a Nomad product, and this is the Sydney Bathers Kiss of Sun Bronzer and Contour. Let's see what this one looks like, because I put my shade as medium, but let's see if it's like super dark or not. Oh, this is a pretty nice bronzer. It's definitely a little bit more on the warmer side, so I would definitely use this as a bronzer and not a contour for me. Let's swatch it. Feels really creamy. Oh my gosh, it like goes right on. Like, let me put my finger in it and let me show you. Boom. Super creamy and really, really nice. That would be a great bronzer, especially for when I'm self-tan. It would probably be too dark for me when I'm fair, but in my profile list, I put that my skin tone is medium, which when I'm self-tan, I get pretty dark with my self-tanner. But that's actually really nice. It feels good. I really want to try this out. I will definitely try it out. I'll try out these products on my Instagram stories, and you guys can go check those out if you want to see them and like see my honest opinions about them and using them and see how they apply and stuff. So I'll do that on Instagram stories after this video goes live. I am so confused because I honestly thought that 2 of these bags were going to be the exact same thing, and that's not what I got. And I was like, why do I have 3 bags? It just doesn't make sense. And I feel like it was just a glitch because I switched the address so late. So I don't know, we're gonna see what happens next month. Anyways, I'm a little flabbergasted right now just because I've got a mix of skincare and makeup in each one, and I was trying to get just strictly skincare and strictly makeup in one. So that's very interesting. Next month is going to be probably a little bit more even interesting, and I definitely need to mark down to see which bag is what. Nancy Drew is back, did some investigating, and I figured it out. So my makeup bag is the one that came with the Murad product in it. So I did get a skincare product in my makeup bag when I wanted strictly makeup. My opinion, honestly, I don't hate it because I'm actually really excited about this, but I did say that I wanted only makeup in this bag. My other bag that was my skincare bag was the one that came with the BB cream and the Mary Luminizer from The Balm. The BB cream is kind of like tilting on that line of skincare and makeup, so whatever you want to take with that one. But the Mary Luminizer is definitely a makeup product, so I got a makeup product in a skincare bag that I wanted. And then this third one, I honestly cannot tell you. I am stumped. I don't know where this one came from, so we're just gonna leave that one out. Anyways, very impressed with the products that are in this bag. I'm definitely gonna be trying them out. A few of them I've already used and I like them, so I can definitely vouch for those. But follow me on Instagram stories and I will do a quick little get ready with me using these products, and I'll tell you guys my impressions of them. And then in the future videos, I will definitely include a try on. So I'll do this bare face, open them, and then we'll put them on the face and see how they work. So definitely subscribe for those. Check me out on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next unboxing. Bye.